welcome to this week's assembly. We're Assembly Team 3 and we're here to inform you about the past week's events and the ones to come. My name is Keisha and I'm the leader of this assembly team.
Hello, I am Rudolph Dugbega.
I'm Ekwa.
Hi, my name is Kelvin and I'm the video editor.
Hi, I'm Kwame.
And I'm Marge. Shall we now have the opening prayers?
Our dear Lord and Heavenly Father, we thank you for everything you've done for us. We thank you for bringing us this far in life. We thank you for every way you take us. Pray that you protect us as we have done this past week and the many weeks before that, and help us to do well in our academics so that we may succeed in life. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As we all know, in the upcoming week, TIS will be turning 18. So we'd like to highlight the growth of TIS.
My name is Miss Grace. I joined TIS in 2015, so I'm in my 7th year. It's been a fantastic journey so far. I'm even looking for small possibilities. TIS continues to grow from grace to grace, and I'm so excited. I'm a very satisfied staff member, and it is always amazing to see how students transform. The students you see in grade 7, and by the time they get to grade 12, they're a total different person. It always has a positive impact on their lives. TIS is definitely a school of choice.
Now, we are sure you've heard about the upcoming Spirits Week and have been wondering what it's all about. Shall we have the Spirits Week committee leaders, Karen, Iraba, and Ishra, to give us a rundown on the various events happening during Spirits Week?
Hi guys, my name is Karen Magda Kwashi and I'm here with
Ishra Wusu and Iraba Binyo.
We are the leaders for the TIS at 18 Founders Week celebration.
So what exactly is Founders Week? For all those who don't know, Founders Week is a simple celebration to commemorate the founders of TIS. And to do this, we've mapped out several exciting activities for TIS students to participate in, namely
Spiritual Sunday, which is on the 3rd of October, and it's basically a Thanksgiving service in which each student is supposed to wear white for church. We also have a special lunch by our kitchen staff. 4th October is Mental Health Monday. On this day, each grade will wear the internationally recognized colors assigned to them based on the mental health issue, and we find creative ways of creating awareness, which will either be published in the bulletin or the weekly assembly.
So on 5th of October, we have Teachers Tuesday, and this is just a day to appreciate our teachers. So on this day, each student will come to school dressed as their favorite teacher, and each student will be handed out cards to write appreciation letters to their favorite teachers, and these will be handed out to the teachers. On the 6th of October is World Wednesday, also known as Multicultural Day, and on this day, each student represents a country and comes to school dressed up as their country of choice. And on this day, it's just a day to appreciate each culture and appreciate cultural diversity.
Okay, we have Tensions Thursday, and this is where grades are assigned various themes to battle out against each other. So for grade 7 to 8, we have DC versus Marvel. For grade 9 to 10, we have rappers versus rock stars. And for grade 11 to 12, we have Hollywood versus Nollywood. And on Friday, you just have to bring your best 70s to 80s vibes. Yeah.
So on Saturday, we have Francida versus Catholic, and this is a day to represent your hostel, and the best hostel will be decided by an unknown person so that there's no bias interpretation.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We have reached a very important part of the assembly, where we would like to congratulate the award recipients of 2020 to 2021 academic year. Here are some of the award winners.
Thank you to the IB class of 2021 for giving TIS its first 45 IB points. We consider this as a special 18th gift to TIS.
Hello everyone, my name is Isofo Ansa and I'm a grade 12 student. I won the Best CAS Project Prize for my grade, and the name of my project is Save an Eye Initiative, and the main aim of my project was to provide medicated classes to students in private schools. My team and I worked on the Teto Close School of the Deaf located in Ajegunju, and we were able to screen a total of 169 students, from which 55 got classes. I'm very grateful for winning this prize. It's a humbling experience for me, and I pray that people will take tips from this and decide to help more people in their communities. We were able to raise, my team and I were able to raise a total of 15,000 CDs. In the first half of the project, we were able to raise 5,000 CDs, and after that, we received 10,000 CDs from the consolidated bank, which we are very grateful for. From that, we are going to undertake another project in December with the new batch of Save an Eye initiators, and we'll work on another school. So we encourage.
My name is Nasira Aguro Kevin.
My name is Kelvin Amyako.
We're in grade 12.
We are the green color leaders.
So this year, our color was chosen to be the color of the year, and I personally feel very happy and accomplished by that.
Yeah, I also feel happy and accomplished, as she said. Our color leadership role started last semester when the IDTs handed over to us. Our first major activity, or our first major task, was to get members for the intercolor
Science and math
competition. And being the color leaders was a bit shaky because of Corona, because we didn't know which members and was in the new group and all that. So it was difficult for us to go around, find new members and all that. But with the help of Nasira and the other color leaders, Cyril, Amanda, Irabna, I think it was a success. And from there we picked it up, continuing this year. So I think Nasira can tell us about the experience from last year and also this year.
Well, from last year, since last year, as I said, we've gone through a lot of peripecy, but with the help of my team and all the members of Green, we made this color the best color in the school for the moment. We can also talk about the football competition that we did very recently, where the junior girls actually won with the training of Kevin Okesi here and myself and Amanda.
She did it most.
And then basically I feel very accomplished, proud of my color, and as a color leader there's nothing more satisfactory actually that winning color of the year. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Murphy. I'm in grade 12, and the award I won was the Best Instrumentalist of the Year award. When I won that award, I felt very happy, very excited, because I'm an instrumentalist. I play the saxophone, and I like to think that I'm good at it. And the getting an award was a chance to validate my thoughts, and I felt very happy about that. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Yana, so I'm in grade 8 now. So when I was told that I was getting an award, I was very excited, and I was excited because I knew I'd made my parents proud, and I guess how I did it was working hard.
Hi, my name is Mamia Kusiama. I'm in grade 8 now, and when I was told I was getting a prize, I was very excited and proud of myself. I did it through hard work and self-learning.
Dear students, please take note of the following announcements. TIS at 18 Founders Day is just around the corner, ranging with a variety of activities including the famous Francilia vs. Cathony to a bunch of different super cool events. The name of the event matches the day of the week. For example, Mental Health Monday, and what about Funky Friday Awards? Get ready for a fun-packed week. To sign up for the various activities, see Karen Kwashi, Inshura, or Iraba in grade 11. This committee is on another level. Prepare your outfits and join in the spirit of celebration. It's going to be unforgettable. How blessed we are. TIS is turning 18.
Okay, so just some quick fun facts. So TIS was designed to suit Sonia's predicament. And secondly, our hostels, Francis, Anthony, Catherine, and Cecilia, were named after the children of Mr. and Mrs. Ajavon.
Before my DAV, I'd physically shake in social situations. If someone new said hello, I would just smile and hope they'd go away. Anything that went wrong felt like the end of the world to me. When I started my gold at college, I was too shy to speak to anyone. But one day, I got involved in a cricket match in my DAV group and I started to relax and open up. The DAV made everything less difficult. Our weekly training gave me a space to talk to others and learn to look after myself. It was good for my headspace, especially the expedition. When you're on the Brecon Beacons in the rain, you've got to just focus. Everyone was so positive and every bit of encouragement built me up. Now I've even given speeches. I still have bouts of anxiety, but I think of everything I've achieved and know I can face any challenges ahead.
International School at 18 Founders and Achievers Day ceremony. Save the date, 3rd October, 7 p.m. on Tema International School YouTube and our Facebook page. Join us to celebrate our founders and the amazing journey of Tema International School and our wonderful achievers. Tema International School, a unique experience. See you there.